Hey guys, Lois with Ellie Grace's Attic here. It is laundry day at my house, and I just wanted to share one of my favorite um, budget saving tips for the laundry, right? I don't know about you, but I really don't like the laundry. Thankful that I have laundry to wash and dry and fold because that means I got people, right? But the actual doing of the laundry, so anytime I can find budget saving tips or just something to make it a little bit easier, I'm all about it, and I want to share that with you guys. This is nothing life shattering, right? I've shared it actually before as a post, but since it was laundry day and I needed to refill these containers, I kind of just wanted to walk through it on the video for you guys. I know I'm a visual learner, so getting to actually see it done helps me. So I thought I'd share with you guys today. So I have these three plastic containers. I got these off of Amazon. I'll share the link for you guys. They're very handy pump bottles for the laundry. They come in a 3-pack. I forget the exact ounces of them, but they do hold a lot. Okay, they're very affordable and they really have helped in this process. So I'm going to fill all three of them. Every time I do this, I fill up 3 of these bottles, and it's just going to help my laundry detergent go a long ways. Okay, because laundry detergent is expensive, right, girls and guys? I'm using this laundry detergent. I'm not sponsored by Mrs. Myers. I just like this detergent. You can use whatever your favorite detergent is. If you're, this is for liquid detergents, okay? So I've used 7th generation. I've used all different kinds. This just happens to be my personal favorite. Is it the absolute cleanest laundry detergent? No, but it's also not the worst. So don't judge me. Use your favorite detergent, okay? For my container, I'm going to take off the screw top. Usually I do this in the sink, but for today's demonstration, I thought it'd just be a little easier to show you. But just make sure you're somewhere where, if you drip, you're okay. So I've got that. I've got an old, you see it's all cracked up plastic funnel. Did I say too, these containers are BPA free, okay? So you put your funnel in. I'm going to take my detergent, and I am going to fill this bottle about 1/4 to 1/3 full. We're going to call that about 1/3, give or take. It doesn't have to be exact, okay? Just eyeball it and call it good. Now, to that, I'm going to fill it the rest of the way up with water, distilled water. Okay, I've got that in this. And you can use, if you have tap water, that's fine too. Use what you have. It'll suds up a little bit. If you go over, that's okay too. All right, there's that. Now you can stop at this point. You can put the lid on it and shake it up and be done. But I want a little bit extra. Again, this is optional. I'm going to add to it some essential oils. The detergent that I'm using is already lavender, okay? Um, but I'm going to add to it about 10 to 15 drops of lavender oil and about 10 or 15 drops of lemon oil. Again, I'm using Revive, but you can use whatever oils are your preference, okay? So you just drop those in right in the top. Again, it doesn't have to be exact. If you want more drops of oil or less, you can do that. But this is going to give my detergent just a little extra scent boost, okay? So you get that in and you get your pump back on and you just give it a shaky shake to mix it all up. And that's it. I fill 3 of these up every time. I'm almost out of this detergent. But this container, I bought it like, I don't know, 6, 7 months ago, it extends the life of this. Because what happens is this is concentrated. So when we tend to use this little cup that they give us, what happens, or at least for me, I always overfill it. I always use more than I should, and I'm really not getting the full life out of this. So I dilute it with the water, add the oils, and this detergent will last me months longer than if I just use it directly out of the container. So anyway, I hope this helps you at least save a few dollars off your budget, because let's face it, every dollar helps. Amen. So love you guys. I'll be back later with something crafty.